Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm currently on the way to Chanel. They have a private sale today and I'm excited to see what they have. Hopefully there will be some items in my size. I really hope so because last time I didn't have many items available. So let's see about that. By the way guys, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. So I saw these two jackets. This jacket is from the pre-fall 2019 and I was actually considering it in a blue and maroon color, but you know what, we got here too late. I feel like people got here at 10 o'clock, that's when the boutique opens, and just grabbed everything. I was only able to get two jackets in my size, which is quite disappointing. We only got here 45 minutes later, but oh well. So this is the second jacket, which is quite pretty. It's in my size. It's beautiful. I like it a lot, but yeah. It has a great discount. It's 40% cheaper than the retail price, which is great. And by the way, people were buying like 6 jackets. They were buying sweaters, skirts, just anything in their size. It's quite amazing. By the way, I'm so excited to finally wear this purple jacket that my friend has kindly helped me to get from overseas. I'm so excited. I couldn't get it in Singapore. It just got sold out everywhere. I may post some pictures on Instagram of this jacket and the blue one that I purchased. So if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please feel free to check it out. I really love this collection. Well, not the whole collection, I just love this look, and I like the lilac oversized jacket that I'm still considering getting. It's so beautiful. And by the way, this is how the blue jacket looks on me. I'm so glad I got it. It's such a beautiful item and it feels quite warm as well. So when I go overseas to Europe, it's just gonna feel so great, and I love this style. And yeah, still thinking about the light purple one. I will show it to you in a second. This is the one which is so pretty, but it's not easy to find it in my size. In a size 34, it's pretty oversized, I have to warn you. So I also decided to try on some other items since the sales was so disappointing. I wanted to try on this jacket, which is so pretty. I saw it on the runway, but I feel like it looks quite big on me. Maybe I need to try it with some belt or something. Here is another jacket that I think looks so much better. It's actually prettier, but I think it's still pretty oversized. Maybe I need to try it with some belts. I will show it to you up close. It has sequins and it looks really beautiful, but it's really huge. I think it would be great for Europe, for the cold weather, but in Singapore, even in the aircon places, it kind of looks a bit too much. What do you guys think about it? I think it's a bit too much, but the color is stunning and I think it would look amazing in the bright daylight, because the sequence is so shiny. It's beautiful. It looks really gorgeous. Let me show it to you closer. I don't know if my camera will show. You can see it sparkles. Really beautiful. I would wear this one even with my pearl bag that I showed to you earlier, with blue, with red. I really like the color combination. It's so stunning. And it looks so good with jeans. It feels comfortable too. A really beautiful jacket, but it's pretty pricey in comparison with the other ones, and I was told it's because it's a bit more delicate than the other ones. It's, you know, the sequence was put there manually and it's such a hard work and stuff like that. So I kind of understand it, but yeah. I really like this bag. It's so beautiful. It just goes well with anything. I think this one is the best purchase of 2019. I reach for this bag so often. I wonder if spring summer 2020 will have some amazing unicorn bag as well. Let's see, fingers crossed, hopefully there will be one. But yeah, let's see. I'm pretty happy with my current collection and I just want to make sure that I use all my bags in all colors, because if it's just sitting on my shelf and collecting the dust, it's not ideal. I don't want to have that. So Yeah, I'm not gonna be adding any bags anytime soon unless I see a very special one that I know I'll be using so often and I just can't live without, basically. I'm trying the jacket with different belts. I'm not sure if I like any. Maybe this one is a little bit better than this one. I don't know, what do you guys think? And also I wanted to try on this pink jacket. I like the color, it's so rich and beautiful. When I saw it for the first time, I wasn't into it because it's not my typical style, but trying it on now makes me kind of fall in love with it. It's stunning. What do you guys think about it? And it also looks okay with the bag, but I think I would wear it with a different bag in this case, maybe with the black one or my gray bag, my dark gray bag. I decided to try on the purple one. Well, it's okay. Okay, first of all, this one is a bit too big for me. It's 2 sizes bigger than my size, but I just wanted to try it on because I never had a chance to try it. It's not too bad. I think after that I'm gonna grab lunch with my friend. Chanel, VCA and Cartier, partner in crime. We literally love the same things. We had some nice lunch and here is our stack. Really loving it. I love her ring, it's really beautiful. And the lower one is my hand with my current stack. Today's the next day and I decided to check out Hermes. I need to buy some perfume and I want to try on a top, actually 2 tops that I like. So these are the perfumes. Actually, I have all the bottles except the first one in red. It's new. I want to check it out. And I will try on the top that I'm so obsessed with. So here it is. Unfortunately, SA didn't have it in my size. It's like in a size 40 and I need it in the 34. But it's so beautiful. It's such a shame. I really love this color combination. It's just stunning and it would look so great. Oh well. By the way, guys, I have recently posted unboxing of this ring. If you haven't watched it, I will link down the video in the description box below so you can check it out. I really love this ring. I wear it all the time. I just love the way it looks with the earrings as well. It looks like a set, which is perfect, and I can't wait to unbox a smaller size. By the way, guys, please stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna pick them up soon and I'm gonna record an unboxing for you guys. These are gonna be my birthday gift, which is so exciting. Yeah, so here is another top that I tried on. This one is in a size 34, but I'm not sure if I like it this much as the first one. I think the shorter sleeve would be better for Singapore weather, but this one looks okay too. I managed to tuck it in my jeans, but yeah, it's okay. Which one do you guys prefer? Please let me know in the comment section below. I tried to look for some other Hermes clothes. I have to tell you, I didn't like anything. I still prefer Chanel. I think it's a lot more sophisticated and more beautiful. Just a few items I can usually pick from Hermes and they are just like usually on the plain side. What do you guys think about Hermes clothes? I think even Mio Mio has more styles that would suit me than Hermes. I'm at home now and I'm gonna unbox the perfume that I bought. I got 2 bottles, exactly the same ones. I will just unbox the first one. I have already unboxed the second one, but I forgot to film it. Anyways, so I really like this perfume and I have to say that Hermes is the only perfume I tend to reach for nowadays. I have all kinds. I have Chanel, I have all kinds, but I just prefer Hermes. I feel like it's more my style. It's not very strong, it feels quite natural, and it lasts long. So yeah, I have exactly 2 bottles of the same stuff. And I also like another one I will show you very shortly. It's in yellow color. I have 2 bottles and I think I already finished the one. I really love it. I keep on topping it up all the time. Actually, I should have bought it. So here it is. You can see I already finished this bottle. I'm gonna throw it away. And here's a new one. And here is another one which I really love. Anyways guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions in the description box below. And please consider subscribing to my YouTube account and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you next time. Bye!